flower is a reproductive part. It is modified shoot. The stem itself is modified for the process, for the reproduction purpose. So it is, flower is modified shoot, and it is reproductive part or organ, reproductive organ. If you observe the flower, so the flowers are attached to the stem. They are attached to stem. If the flower, if it is a flower, it is attached with the stalk. Okay, that stalk of the flower, is called as pedicel. The stalk of the flower is called pedicel. With the help of pedicel, it is attached in the inflorescence axis, that is on the peduncle. It is attached on the peduncle. So these flowers, it is a modified shoot. So all the floral parts, this is pedicel, and where that all the floral parts are arranged, that part is called thalamus. Thalamus or receptacle. Okay, thalamus or receptacle. Okay, receptacle. So where that this inflorescence, that shoot is modified to form the flower. So whatever the nodes and internodes are present, they are also present in the flower too. So here the place where the leaf arises, that point is called node. Okay, where the place where on the stem where the leaf comes, that point is called node, and the gap between the two nodes is called internode. Node and internode. So this stem is modified. This stem is condensed. Okay, this is modified as a receptacle. And if it is modified, all these nodes are internodes. They form the leaves, or they form successive orals. Successive orals. There are 4 orals in flower. 4 orals. So in this orals, 4 orals, the outermost is called calyx. Outermost is called calyx. Outermost circle is called calyx. So this is calyx. And the part of that calyx, the calyx, they are called sepals. Parts are called as sepals. If you take this flower, so this flower, this is the flower, it is attached to the stem with the help of calyx. So in this flower, so it is attached to the stem with the help of small stalk. This is called pedicel, and below this white color there are 5 these structures are there. So these are known as sepals. Okay, if you take the hibiscus plant, green color structures will be there, that is called calyx. So the function of the calyx is protect the essential organ during the bud stage. When the flower is in the bud stage, it protects the essential parts. Okay, the outermost layer is calyx, and the calyx, they are known as sepals. That oral calyx. So in the calyx, how many sepals are there? There may be 4, 5, or depending upon the floor, there may be, if you take in the hibiscus, there may be 5. So next oral is the colorful petals. These colorful petals are called, colorful things are called petals. So these petals, if you see this in this flower, there are 5 petals. So next oral is corolla. In this, all these are called petals. Petals. Okay. Sepals and petals. So the stem, so the leaves are modified. Leaves are modified as sepals, petals and androecium, gynoecium. And the next oral, these are colorful petals. These are the petals. And next, these are called stamens. The oral where the stamens are present, that is called androecium. Androecium. The androecium stamens are present. The next oral is called gynoecium. Gynoecium or carpel. Gynoecium. Gynoecium in this carpel is present. So this is stamens, and we know that this is the style and this is stigma where the pollen grains are received, and this is gynoecium. So gynoecium. So calyx and corolla are called as non-essential parts. Non-essential parts. Non-essential organs or parts. So also called as accessory organs. Accessory organs. These are reproductive organs. Androecium and gynoecium are called reproductive organs. They help in the reproduction process. So if the flowers, in some flowers, example lily flower, this calyx and corolla, both they are distinct. Both they are distinct, and they form perianth. That is called perianth. Perianth in lily flower. If you observe the lily flower, calyx and corolla are the distinct. So they are called, it is called perianth. And if in some flowers, so they may be consist male part or female part. If you take this flower, in this androecium is there and gynoecium is there. Both are there. Both are present. Male part and female part. The flowers which have both androecium and gynoecium, they are known as bisexual flowers. Bisexual flowers. So the bisexual flowers, those flowers which have the both androecium, this is stamens, and gynoecium, both are present. Carpels, both are present. That is called bisexual flowers. Whereas unisexual flowers, in these flowers they have either stamens or if the stamens only present, that is called male plant. If either stamens or either carpels. The carpels only present, female part only present, that is called female plant. So based on the essential organ, if both are present, they are called as bisexual flowers. If only either androecium or gynoecium is present, that is unisexual flowers. This is about the floral parts, different floral parts. So flower is modified shoot, and on this leaves they are forming different petals, sepals. Leaves are modified as a petals, sepals and androecium, gynoecium. So the orals, they are arranged in a circular manner. If you take this flower, So these all 5 petals are arranged in circular manner. Next to oral, next layer, like that. So the gap between these layers are considered as an interlude. So outermost layer is calyx and the parts are known as sepals. They may be 4 or 5 depending upon the flower. If they are 3 and multiples of 3, that is called trimerous flower. Tetramerous flower. Tetramerous flower, in that calyx are 4, corolla 4 and multiples of 4. That is stamens and carpels. So that is tetramerous. Pentamerous 5 in number. Corolla, next layer, that is petals, and both are, after the pollination, they are going to be fall off. So they protect the essential organ during the birth stage. So they are known as accessory organs. And next, androecium and gynoecium. Androecium, in that stamens are there, it is the male part, So next oral is gynoecium, carpel, it is ovary, and carpel consists ovary and style stigma. So this total structure is called carpel. Okay, so this is about the flower.